What's up, programmies? It's me again, CJ. I'm here to share to you my learnings and experiences in Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. So, if you want to become updated with my new videos, so don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So, let's start. So, for today's video, we were going to focus on installing and downloading Java Eclipse IDE. So here, copy this link. So eclipse.org/IDE/. So I'm going to copy this. Then I have already pasted this link on the description below. So it's your choice if you want to copy it. So minimize, then choose your favorite browser. So I'm going to choose Google Chrome here. So here on our browser, I'm going to paste the link, the eclipse.org/IDE/. So hit enter or click this. Then after that, we can see here the homepage of Eclipse Foundation. So on the top corner, we can see here the download button. So hit this download. Then for the second time, hit this download x86_64. So I'm going to hit this. Then hit this download. So after that, we can see here the installation process is working. So I'm going to cancel this because I have already downloaded this. So I'm going to click this, go to downloads. Then we can see here that I have already downloaded this Eclipse file. So show in folder here. Then I can see here on the downloads the file application. Then I'm going to click this application. So here is the window of Eclipse Installer by I'm going to minimize this. Minimize. So here are the type of Eclipse Installer that you want to install. So on the first type, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. On the second type, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. So I'm going to click this first type, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click this. Then after that, here's the installation folder. So I'm going to leave this as default, create start menu entry, and create desktop shortcut. So I'm going to hit this install. So after that, we can see here the user agreement. So accept now. So the installation process is working. So wait for some seconds. So after the installation process completed successfully, we can see here on our desktop the icon, the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So I'm going to launch this application, and here is the Eclipse IDE 2012. So it's now starting. Then we can see here the directory as workspace. Here is the directory for our Java. So I'm going to click this checkbox. So use this as default and do not as again. So click launch. So the Eclipse IDE is starting now. So here, after loading, we can see here the welcome page of Eclipse. That we need to confirm if the application is working successfully. So we will create a new Java project. So on this left corner, we can see here the restore. So click restore. Then minimize. So we can see here the create a Java project. So we will hit this. Then create a Java project. Enter a project name. I'm going to name this as my first Java project. So it's your choice if you want to rename this. So after that, I'm going to leave this as default. Use default location here, the default location. Use an execution environment JRE. Here is my execution environment. Project layout. So I'm going to default this. Create separate folders for sources and class files. So click finish. Then generate comments. Create. After that, we can see here the 3 errors. So I'm going to remove this. So in order to solve these errors, we need to right click this Java project. Then click build path. Under the build path, we can see here the add libraries. So hit this add libraries. Then these are the libraries. So I'm going to choose the JRE system library here. Then next. Then click execution environment. So after that, we can see here our execution environment. So hit finish. Then we can see here that the errors are reduced. So there is 1 error now. So syntax error on token module interface expected. So in order to solve this, I'm going to go here, then delete this module info.java. Going to delete this. Okay. Continue. Minimize again. So we can see here that there are no errors at all. So now we are going to make a new class. So on this default package, right click this, then new class. Then I'm going to name this my first class. Oh, I can do this as underscore. After that, modifiers public. Then I'm going to choose this public static void main string args, then finish. After that, we can see here our class. So I'm going to remove this comment. So we will run some code. So we will start on basic. So we will print hello world on console. So system dot out, we print line. Close and open brackets or parentheses, then quotation, hello world, then semicolon, serve as terminator. Then we will run this code here on the run. Click run, then OK. So we can see here that the code is running. So the application is working successfully. So if you want to adjust this font size, go here in the window, then preferences. We can select this, then general, then here on the appearance, select this colors and fonts. Then we can see here the Java. Click Java, then go here on the Java editor text font. Click this. So we can see here the font style, then the size. I'm going to change the 10 size to 16. Then click OK, then apply and close. Then we can see here the changes.
So I hope you are learned on how to download and install Java Eclipse IDE in Windows 10. So if you want to delete or uninstall this application, I have prepared a new video for deleting this application. So thank you and God bless.